We are going to see an example of how to use gamification inside the classroom. And for this, I picked Class Dojo, which is a very nice resource for gamification. So here is the page. And as you can see, I have listed some of my students. And that's how they can log in your classes, and then they can work on some new features that this site has. So I listed a basic things that you should use when you use Class Dojo. So you have 3 steps to set up a student's accounts. And first one, you have to print your student login poster. Then you have to pin it, and then you have to scan it. And so here you can see that you can also use these codes, or you can do it manually. Also, you can connect parents, and you can have your students join your classroom through a community where they can use this password right here. So this is a very nice way of creating classes with gamification. So it's really fun, and your students are going to love it because they can do a lot of things, and they can post some comments, and then you can like them, and they can like them too, as they do on social media. So that's why it's going to be really, really attractive for them. And this is a design of a project, gamification. So here you can see how you can plan or design your classroom. So you have to see, and you have to be aware of the profile of your players, of your students. You have to have objectives for this game, for any game that you perform in your class. You have to let them know what they're going to experience, and how much time are you going to use. You have to explain the rules. You have to give them awards. And Class Dojo offers avatars too, so they can create their own characters, and they can play music, and you have to have missions and challenges, and the scenario where you're going to develop your game, if you're going to have teams, and then how are you going to evaluate. So here you have, according to the curriculum, the competences, the capabilities, or the development or the performance that your students have had. So this is a very nice way to use gamification inside the classroom, and hopefully I will use it with my students in the future. Thank you very much.